guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I'll be reviewing and unboxing some items that were sent to me from Doveggs. If you guys aren't familiar with this brand, they are a luxury jewelry brand that offers wedding bands and wedding rings, engagement bands, engagement rings, and overall some very nice jewelry. And they use Moissanite stones, which if you guys are not familiar with what Moissanite is, let me go ahead and give you guys a quick brief description of what Moissanite is. It is a lab created diamond, and I love Moissanite. As you guys know, I used to work at a jewelry store and I used to sell Moissanite. It sells just as well as diamonds do. It lasts just as long. It has as much fire and brilliance as a diamond at a fraction of the price. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys some pieces I received from their newest collection. So if you guys are interested to see what I got, make sure you guys stay tuned for the video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. So every time I upload a video, you'll be notified and you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. When Doveggs reached out to me and they shared that they had some Moissanite pieces that they wanted me to share with you guys here on my channel, I was floored because I know how much Moissanite can cost. Moissanite is a lab created diamond, but it is just as good, if not better than a diamond, because they last long, they have just as much fire and brilliance as a diamond, and again, at a fraction of the price, which is amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys what items I received. So when I first received my package, this is what it came in. It's a nice velvet case, very high quality. It does seem like it will protect my jewelry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and share with you guys what comes in this case. So the first thing I see is this Doveggs created Moissanite certificate of authenticity and lifetime brilliance warranty. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that, but on the back it says that they certify the authenticity of this item to test positive, created for Moissanite, and confirm that the brilliance will go on the same as diamonds does, which is something that we also used to do. When I sold jewelry, I sold Moissanite, and we did have a Moissanite tester, and every time I was trying to upsell or sell the Moissanite, I would bring out the tester to show my clients that it was real Moissanite, because again, Moissanite is a really good stone, especially because it's a fraction of the price of diamonds. So you do receive an authenticity card. You also receive a jewelry polishing cloth, which I'm so appreciative for because I like to keep my pieces clean. And it says that this is a silver polishing cloth made of high quality cotton. So I will be using this. Now onto the items that I picked up. It comes in like this little bag. I know you guys are wondering like, girl, what did you get? What did you get? Let me tell you guys. When I first seen this item, I was immediately inspired by the one and only Wendy Williams, because if you guys are a Wendy watcher, how you doing? She always pulls out her fancy glasses, and I was like, I love Wendy. I want to be on Wendy's level. So I went ahead and I picked up these Moissanite glasses with the stud chain. Oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. Look at that. Cute wire frames with Moissanite studs on the sides, and then this chain is separately as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, I look like I'm ready to serve some tea. Yes, I love these so much. They're so adorable. Yeah, they're so cute. Now they do have 2 stones on one side and they have 3 stones on the other side, and the strap on the frames is detachable. They do come separately, but I wanted to pick them up together because I felt like they looked so good together. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. Look at these, you guys. Like, yes, these are so cute. Just wait till I take a picture with these on. Yes, girl. These frames definitely give me sexy librarian action and vibes, but honestly, you guys, because they don't have any type of lens on them, they're pretty costume. They're for show and for looks only. I don't necessarily think I would wear these trying to give the impression that they are reading glasses. These are simply some glasses you put on to spill the tea. If you guys are interested to see more unique pieces that Doveggs offer, make sure you guys check out their website. You can learn more about moissanite itself, and you can see their beautiful pieces that they offer. Again, they carry wedding bands, wedding rings, engagement bands. They carry so many unique items. You guys have to go and give it a look for yourself. And again, these frames as well as this wire retails for $300, which in my opinion is very affordable, knowing how much moissanite costs and the value of moissanite. Again, like I said, I'm so grateful. I feel like Wendy Williams, how you doing? And I love these frames. They're so freaking cute. I also wanted to mention to you guys that Doveggs offers a 12-year free maintenance on their pieces, which is very generous because that is something that not many jewelers offer on the market. I know personally, my jewelry store I used to work at, they only offered a 2-year maintenance warranty. So to have something that's under warranty for 12 years, that is phenomenal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you guys like my new stylish frames. If you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.